This is Math 7-6, Lesson 118, Finding a Percent. Part 2. In example 1, they have 6 of 10 circles are shaded. 6 is what percent of 10? So we're converting 6 over 10 into a percent. To convert into a percent, we only multiply times 100%. So that'll be 600% over 10 times 1 is 10, which will end up being equal to 60%. So we multiply by 100% and then reduce. In example 2, it says 6 of the 9 circles are shaded. 6 is what percent of 9? So we have 6 over 9 times 100%. Six times 100 is 600%. Divided by 9. So we're actually going to have to do some long division here. That'll be 654, 60. And then the remainder, 6, goes over the divisor, 9%. That will reduce. So 6/9 is the same as 66 2/3%. In example 3, 12 of the 30 students in the class are boys. So there are 12 boys, which means that the rest must be girls. So there are 30 students total. And then we subtract 12 from 30 and get 18. So there are 18 girls. Boys are what percent of the class? So we're going to, for A, we'll say boys are 12 out of 30. Let's reduce that a little bit, 6 over 15. And we're going to convert that to a percentage by multiplying times 100% over 1. So that'll be 600% over 15. And we can divide. That will be 4. 40% are boys. And they also ask, what are the percent of the girls in the class? You could do the math, or you know that 100%, which is the whole class, minus 40% is 60%. 60% are girls. Okay, I'm going to do the practice 2. It's a little bit converting. Part A says 2 is what percent of A? So 2 of 8. 2 is what percent of 8? That's 1/4 times 100%. Plus 100% over 4 equals 25%. It's pretty straightforward. For B, we have 2 is what percent of 6? 2 over 6, which is the same as 1/3, times 100% over 1, 100% over 3. Now we're going to divide. (33 1/3%). For C, it asks 2 is what percent of 5? So we're going to convert 2/5 to a percentage. Multiply times 100. We can reduce, or you don't have to. 2 times 100 is 200%, all over 5. And we divide. 40%. D, what percent of $10 is $3? So we're converting 3/10 to a percentage. You can cancel or not. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this one. 100 divided by 10 is 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 3 times 10 is 30. 3/10 is the same as 30%. E, what percent of $8 is $6? So that'll be 6/8, which is the same as 3/4, times 100%. You might be able to do this one in your head. 3/4 of 100% is 75%. And then the last one. 10 of the 25 students are girls. What percentage of the student are boys? So 10 are girls, and there are 25 total. That means everybody else, 15, are boys. And we need to know the percent of boys. So that will be 15 over the total of 25. If we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5, we'll get 3/5 times 100% equals 300% over 5. Then we divide. 60% of the class are boys.